And it is Friday the 14th of July, and I'm at Blue Marsh Lake in the northern part of it, and I'm gonna try to get some catfish today. I did get a nice one several weeks ago in this spot right here, so I'm gonna try it. I have bluegill that I caught several weeks ago. It was frozen, and I'm gonna try that. And I have night crawlers, so I will let you know if I get anything. Okay, bye. Oh, by the way, it's 5:30 in the morning. Yeah, I think I got a bite on this line. Let's wait and see. This is on a cut bait. Something's interested in it. Not yet. Okay, maybe not. Now it's supposed to be like 50% chance of thunderstorms. They just changed the weather. So let's see what happens. If that's the case, I'm heading back to the ramp. I don't want to be out here in thunderstorms. But I am getting nibbles here, so I'm going to stick it up for just a little bit. I'm trying something new. This is fly fishing with a spinning reel. See my setup here, and there's the fly right there. Let's see how it works. There we go. Let's see. I know that the bass were jumping up at the insects that are on the surface, and we'll see what happens with this. It's just a slow retrieval, and hopefully it's trailing for about 6 or 7 feet behind that bobber. And the bobber is made for this type of fishing. It's filled, it's got some water in it to give it some weight. I got something. I moved to a new spot, and I think I got something. This is on cut bait. Oh, shoot. No, it wasn't. It's live bait. Nothing. But something was picking at it. Son of a bitch. Let's see if it tries it again. Probably a small catfish, because this is a fish head that I put in there, so let's see. Look at this on the Emmrod. Small catfish. Let's take a picture of it. Alright. You got off. But you can't go that way, buddy. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, man. Sorry, buddy, but you can't go that way. Alright, well, maybe you can. There you go. He went right through the hatch. All right. Wow. I have something on the Emmrod. Let's see what it is. Now this is on a night crawler. Probably a small catfish. Doesn't feel very big. It is. Look at that. On the Emmrod. Look at that. Look at this on the Emmrod. Small catfish. Let me just take a picture of it. All right, you got off, but you can't go that way, buddy. Okay, come on, come on. Oh, man. Sorry, buddy, but you can't go that way. All right, well, maybe you can. There you go. He went right through the hatch. All right. Okay, something just hit my line. Probably took the bait, but we shall find out. No, well, you could see that they hit it, so I gotta fix it. Good. Yep, I think it's another catfish with the Emmrod again. Doing good. What feels bigger than the other one? Let's see. It does feel bigger. Oh, don't go that way, don't go that way. Oh. I don't want to lose it, so I'm going to have to... Look at this. Let me get this out of here. I think it's a big one. Oh, wow. It's a big one. And it's on this little rod. Oh, yeah. Holy crap. Look at the size of this. Oh, man. Get the grippers, because this is a big one. This is a big one. Okay, buddy. Come on. Okay. You don't want to do it. I'm gonna have to do it this way. Oh, look at this! Holy crap! And on this Emmrod, on this little rod. Holy crap! Look at this! Holy crap! Look at the size of this! Look at the size of that! All right, gotta let it go. Man, I gotta let it go, but it doesn't want to let go. All right. Wow. That was the biggest catfish I ever caught. I'm at a new spot and I just cast this, just put it in the water, and I got something. It feels like another catfish. Yep, I think it's another catfish with the Emmrod again. Doing good. Oh, it feels bigger than the other one. Let's see. does feel bigger. Don't go that way, don't go that way. Oh, I don't want to lose it, so I'm gonna have to. Look at this. Oh, let me get this out of here. I think it's a big one. Oh wow, it's a big one, and it's on this little rod. Oh yeah, holy crap, look at the size of this. Oh man, get the grippers, because this is a big one. This is a big one. Okay, buddy. Come on. Okay. See, I don't want to do it. I'm going to have to do it this way. Oh, look at this. Holy crap. And on this Emmrod, on this little rod. Holy crap. Look at this. Holy crap. It's tearing this place apart. Oh man, it's got everything tangled up. There. Holy crap. Look at the size of this. Look at the size of that. All right, gotta let it go. I got another one. Hey guys, this this one feels big too, and this is also on the night crawlers. On the other ones, oh maybe it came off. Oh no! Look at this monster. Ah, you son of a gun. Yeah, well, see me when you're bigger. That was something. Another one. Let's see. Yep, I do. And it's on the Emmrod. There it goes. Let's see. Yep. It's not that big. Yeah, another one. Another little one. Yeah. Look at that. This is number 4. So far, the fish that I've caught today were on the Emmrod, which is this one right here. I couldn't believe it. And I caught a nice one, really nice one. So we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. Got another one. Uh-oh. Let's see. It feels like a good one. Oh, it's a catfish. It is a catfish. Looks like a good one. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a good one. Come on. Oh, darn it. Come on. It's not bad. Okay. Ha! Look at that. Let me see. Let me see if I could get one. Oh yeah. Check this out. Oh, it's peeing. Ugh. Look at that. Oh, geez, it's peeing everywhere. Oh, God damn it. All right, buddy. You're going to have to simmer down. Okay. Come on. Oh my goodness, it was hooked pretty good. Oh man. Okay, here you go. That's number 5. That is number 5.